Rin. Drive to the basket, wala. Rebound by Neto. Supan fires. Basket. Buong Team Panda. Binigay kay Red. Red fires. Basket. Back dribble. Binigay kay James. James fires. Another basket for James. Rasay. And De La Cruz. Villaseran fires from the 3-point area. Basket. Villaseran 3. Ito ang Panda, 3-1. Kyril to James. Kapus, follow up by James. Basket. Rebound by Navarro to Supan. Supan, a walk in the park. Katawan ng bola to Kyril. What a beautiful play by Team Panda. Rasay, fires, basket. Red fires, basket by Red. Julian fires, basket by Julian. Back to Javier. What a beautiful sidestep play by Javier. Batang si Julian, binigay kay Rabadon. Tumira sa 3 points. Rabadon, 3! Basket by Rabadon. Giga, fires. Basket by Giga. Villaseran. Fires. Wala. Rebound by Villaseran. Follow. Basket. Basket by Neto. Pull to Javier. Javier fires on the 3-point area. Javier, 3! Cross court to James. James. To back to Heda. Fires. Wala. Pasok. Javier. To Villaseran. Finally. Back to Julian. Drive to the basket. Basket by Julian. Wala pa rin. Agawa ng bola. Napunta kay James. Followed by James. Shooters pa. Gule. Fires on the 3-point area. Finally. Gule. 3! Nagawa bola ni Julian. Julian. Fire. Erin. Usain. Red. Time out. Tumira sa 3 points, Kusain. Kusain, 3! Red, tumira sa 3 points. Wala. Follow by Kusain. Basket. Axel. Axel to Kusain. Basket by Kusain. Rasay. Rasay jump. Basket by Rasay. First basket for Rasay. Badon, tumatakbo ang Balog selection. Basket by Rabadon. Villaseran fires on the 3-point. Villaseran 3! Rebound by James. Julian, Dayaday. Dayaday, a walk in the park. Intercepted again by Dayaday. Rebound by Dayaday, followed by Dayaday. Basket by Dayaday. Supan. Kusain. Nice basket by Kusain. To Rabadon. Villaseran. Nice play by Rabadon to Villaseran. Nice one. Basket, may kasama pang foul. Ang sportsman direct foul on Juanillo. Okay. Okay. Foul by Julian. Villasarán. Basket by Villasarán.